Storage Basics. Beginner Level. Introduction. Storage is a fundamental part of a computer that is used to save data permanently. It allows computers to store operating systems, applications, documents, images, videos, and files. Unlike RAM, storage is non-volatile. Data remains mahfuz even after the computer is turned off. Storage is essential for long-term data retention and system operation. This topic helps beginners understand what storage is, types of storage, how data is saved and retrieved, why storage matters, what is storage. Storage refers to the hardware used to store data permanently in a computer. In simple words, storage equals where all your files and programs are saved. A beginner view includes stores operating system, saves files and data, retains data after shutdown, supports system boot. Why storage is important. Storage is essential because it keeps all your data safe, stores applications and OS, allows data retrieval anytime, enables system startup, supports long-term use. Without storage, no files can be saved, no programs can run permanently, system cannot boot. Types of storage. Type, description. Primary storage, temporary, RAM cache. Secondary storage, permanent, HDD, SSD. Primary storage is temporary memory used during processing. Examples: RAM cache. Features: very fast, volatile secondary storage. Secondary storage is permanent storage. Examples: HDD, SSD, USB drives. Features: non-volatile, larger capacity storage units. Storage is measured in units. Bit, smallest unit. Byte, 8 bits. KB, kilobyte. MB, megabyte. GB, gigabyte. TB, terabyte. Example: file size equals 10 MB. How storage works. Step 1. Save data. File equals notes.txt. Step 2. Write to storage. Storage equals file. Step 3. Retrieve data. Print, opening, storage. Example of storage representation. Storage system equals primary RAM, secondary SSD. Capacity 1 terabyte. Storage versus memory. RAM. Data permanent temporary, speed slower faster. Usage files and OS. Running programs, data organization. Data in storage is organized as files, folders, directories. Example: folder equals documents, file1.txt, file2.txt, images, img1.png. Storage is like a filing cabinet. Files means documents. Folders means sections. Cabinet means storage system. Types of storage devices: internal storage, SSD, HDD. External storage, USB, external drives. Cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox. Storage performance depends on: check, speed, read-write. Capacity, check, type, HDD versus SSD. Check, interface, SATA, NVMe. Full menu-based storage simulation, Python. Def save file. Name is equal to enter file name. Print, saved, name. Def open file. Name equals input, enter file name. Print opened. While true. Print. N1 save file. Print. 2 open file. Print. 3 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, save file. Elif choice equals 2, open file. Elif choice equals 3, break. Else, print invalid choice. Primary versus secondary storage. Primary versus secondary storage. Storage units. File organization. Storage performance. Ways to improve knowledge. Learn file systems. NTFS, FAT32, ext4. Upgrade to SSD. Practice file management. Explore cloud storage. Monitor disk usage. Common mistakes beginners make. Type 1 Microsoft Team commentators. Ignoring backups. Poor file organization. Not understanding storage limits. Where storage is used. Storage is used in computers and laptops, smartphones, servers, cloud systems, gaming consoles, embedded systems. Simple definition. Storage. Hardware used to save data permanently in a computer system. Final summary. Storage is essential for saving and accessing data. It enables permanent data storage, file management, data retrieval. Understanding storage basics helps you manage data efficiently and securely.